Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can use the automated responses in Facebook. So this is like a page that I'll be using for this tutorial. So go over to inbox, and once you're here, go down to automated responses. You'll find a few options that you have in order to give an instant automatic reply to your customers who want information. So the first option is the greeting people. So this is where if someone sends a text, and you can toggle this on or off. So this is toggled on, and this is the text that they will get. The second option is on frequently asked questions. Now if you have this toggled on, then you can set up a few questions like this, and whenever the customer is going to click on ask, then the answer that you have written here will be sent to them. So like the first question is this, and this is the answer to that. Let me show you how it works. I add another question. I ask a question like how shipping is $5.99. When I've set up my question and answer, I'm going to click on save, and this is now another question that the customers can add, like ask. So another thing is like job application reviews. If you send a job application or something, if you click on edit, then this is the text that they will get instantly. Like if they apply for a job or something, then you have like follow-ups. Sometimes there are like action buttons on Facebook, which if the customers use, like if they use the action button to get an appointment or something, instant text message from Facebook, from the page. So yeah, these are questions similar to that. You also have page recommended and also page not recommended instant responses. Alright, so that is pretty much it. You can set this up, like customize it to the way you want to, and Facebook will take care of everything else. And yeah, thanks all for watching. I'll see you guys again in the next video.